Nigeria is a very important partner, not just economic partner, but also partner in democratic issues. It is an important democracy, and it is a huge country, of course. So we went around the different topics of our relations, beginning by the economic bilateral relations. We want to improve them. We are considering to analyze the opportunity of making a free trade agreement with the EFTA family and Nigeria. And secondly, we are also working together very much in diplomatic efforts in order to a peaceful solution of the many different conflicts in the northeastern part of Nigeria. And third, we are contributing with vocational training and with the Swiss companies in Nigeria to create the best conditions for young people to peacefully live together and to, of course, build skills, also to have jobs for the future. Of course, many other things like cultural cooperation and restitution of cultural material. And we also have a cooperation on migration issues. And every year we have a meeting together where we explore every facet of this cooperation, and this will be taking place this year in Bern. And last but not least, I of course was very much grateful to Nigeria for their continuous and precious presence in the World Economic Forum in Davos every January. And I congratulated Nigeria for the wonderful Nigeria House we had for the first time this year in Davos.
When formal relations were established, we've signed agreements, so double taxation and several others. We're collaborating very well on migration, on the issue of immigration. We have an agreement. And the discussion between the two vice presidents also centered around technical and vocational training that would help Nigerian youths with skills, because the vice president informed him that the average age of the Nigerian is 18, so it's quite young. So we need the skills, but we need, in addition, more investment. And when it comes to, if you look at the Swiss-based traders that are trading, not just so the relationship is not just hydrocarbons, it's not just crude oil, it is also minerals. There are electro minerals that are being traded. You have several Swiss-based traders that are investing in that, but we want to see processing also established in Nigeria to create more jobs, to strengthen the supply and value chain. And it's a win-win situation, especially with the conflict now that we've seen in the Middle East, where a choke point is creating a lot of problems for the world. There's a need to diversify investment, and not just with hydrocarbons, but also with solid minerals, so that when there's a problem in one part of the world, it does not stop the flow of minerals and other resources in other parts.